Here I've got REALME Q2, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you need to open the phone dialer, go to your contacts, and just pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Let me choose this one, then click on Edit Contact and mark camera icon. And now you can either take a photo, it's a perfect option if someone is staying right in front of you, but as you can see I've got just computer here, so let me choose some photo from the gallery. You can pick photos or Google Photos, it's up to you, and just choose a picture that you would like to apply. Then you can crop photo with Google Photos or crop photo app. I will pick the first option, and now you can smoothly customize it, so you can make it bigger, smaller, it's up to you. I think I would like to have it this way. Then tap on Done and click on Save. So that's it. From now on, anytime this number will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can add photo to a contact. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.